Hello, welcome to Sunday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. I have a notebook and a pen and a bench. Today's Tàijíquán Tip is to take your writing implement, your writing place, and write your form down. Just from memory, it's not a quiz. I'm not trying to catch you, but write down. Maybe you get it out of order. Maybe you get the order fine. Maybe you're not quite sure what the name of that one move is, or you tweak it in writing it down. That's fine. But the idea is to develop a appreciation for the order of the form and the names of the form and the meanings therein. And maybe in writing it down, I don't know if you'll do it in columns or in a line or one name on a page or whatever, but you may start to notice the things that repeat. You may start to notice things that relate to one another in interesting ways, where you might not really relate to them in the three-dimensionality of the form, in the bodily expression of the form. So we're just opening ourselves to a different awareness of the form, but it's not a gotcha. It's not trying to see if you left something out or spelled it right or anything like that, but just to write it down. I find this a very interesting challenge for people, veteran students as well as beginners. Maybe you're going to do it for your two-person form, or maybe you do it for your long form. Whatever way you do it is fine, but enjoy that. And remember, we're practicing an art that did not always benefit from the written word. So let's see if we can share some benefits of the written word with those who come to receive the art from us. Thank you.
Thank you for your support. We're relying on donations now more than ever. Here are all the ways that you can help. Online reviews, sharing videos, commenting, subscribing also help.